When you're on the golf course and you're struggling, do you know you actually have a built-in golf coach right at your fingertips, right on the ground? My name's Jess Frank. I've been teaching this game for over 25 years, and I love helping golfers play better golf, enjoy themselves on the golf course, have more fun, right? That's what we're all about. So, what I found is that there is a built-in golf coach on the course before you even swing. And what I found out is that if you can understand and control your low point when you're swinging a golf club, you're going to be much better off. And that goes with you no matter where you are, even if you're in the supermarket or wherever, doctor's office, and especially on the golf course. So, what I always say is that your low point is underneath your forward lead shoulder, lead arm, and club, which represents this line underneath my left heel and left foot. Okay. So what I'm always doing before I hit a shot is I'm setting up and I'm focused in on hitting this low point every single time. And why that's important is that's because it's the number one fundamental in golf. The low point is the number one fundamental in golf. Don't ever forget that. So if you're struggling and you want to eliminate all kinds of swing thoughts, I would just focus in on low point control. So always remember, it's underneath the lead shoulder, lead arm, and club. If I drop that down, the ball is usually about a club head behind that stick right there, the low point. So this is an eye opener for a lot of golfers because the ball is positioned behind the low point. Okay. A lot of golfers are taught to swing back, shift their weight, and hit the ball, but they're actually hitting behind the ball. They're hitting the ground first, then they strike the ball, which causes all sorts of problems. And so when you're on the course and you're struggling and you want one thing, only one thing to think about is that you want to hit your low point. And you can see I'm hitting the ground in front of the ball over and over again. And when I hit a shot, that's all I'm thinking about. I'm thinking about, okay, let me make a swing that can control my low point. And I can do that every time I hit a nice little shot out there. I don't have to swing hard. I can get that back right away. So your brain, knowing that you're putting in the information that controls the low point, your motor control of your brain, now will say, okay, for me to hit that low point, what do I need to do? So, as you know, since you're a devoted follower to the Just Frank Golf Academy here on YouTube, is that we need to move our centers forward, center between the shoulders, center between the hips. We need to move the centers forward towards the target to hit the low point. If we shift our weight and move our weight back and try to hit the ball, we're going to hit way behind the low point. We do not want that. Okay. We want to create a swing that can always hit the low point. So you can see I'm hitting that ground right by that stick every single time. That is fundamental number one. That is what the best players all do. They all have in common. They all control the low point, and they do this in a specific way. Number one, they're moving their weight forward. Okay. That's the first thing they're doing. Their centers are not swaying back and releasing their hands. They're keeping their centers pretty much stacked over the top of the ball, then moving forward, and then they're able to hit the ball than the turf. Okay. Everybody has this in their minds of trying to hit the ball. You don't want to hit the ball. You want to hit the low point. Hit the low point. And so when you're doing this now, there's a couple things you want to do. You want to keep your centers forward at address. So I don't want to be leaning on my back foot at address. That's no good with my hands back. I want to feel like there's about 60% of my weight on my left leg. Okay, now that means that my centers are moving forward, not just my upper center. So both centers, lower center, upper center, moving forward. So when I do that, I can hit that ground every time and come right around. I'm also tracing the grid here, as you can see from all my videos. I lay out my hand path sticks and I lay out my club head sticks. And then I have my low point stick. So I am training this every single time I come to the course, okay? Every single time. So ingrained in the motor control in the brain is my low point. So when I'm swinging, I am controlling that low point. So when I'm on the course, I'm thinking low point, okay? Now I'm not doing that by trying to hit the ground over here or move this way. I'm controlling it in a very specific way. I'm taking very short swings and I'm moving this thing back and forth. Because if I can't do it in that swing, how am I going to do it in a big swing, right? So I start with that. I can really get the feel of how my weight's forward, how I'm hitting the low point. And you can see every divot from the ball is forward. I'm hitting the ground forward. Okay. And there's a lot of people that swing. When they swing, they will miss, they'll try to hit the low point, but then they'll just miss the ground. That's not good either. We don't want that as well. We want to have complete control, fundamental number one on lockdown. So we go ahead and hit the shot. So I can hit that ball out there every single time. Pretty straight, little half swing, probably goes about 130 yards. But that's what you need on the golf course. That's how you transfer the practice to the golf course and understanding that. I mean, I can't tell you how, when I play golf, that's what I'm doing. I'm sitting over here, I'm making sure I'm hitting the ground every time. I can feel where that club is. I know my hand path is working on the grid. I know that I am in a position with my weight to hit the ball than the turf. I do not want to practice swinging and just miss the ground or hit behind it. I'm specifically rehearsing myself over and over again to control the low point because this is it right here. If you can control the low point, you can hit the center of the face, you're going to be much better off. So, again, centered pivot, weight on the left, moving forward. You can also see how I'm controlling my arms. I'm not just kind of wicking this thing around. I'm doing all the stuff to make sure I hit the ball then the turf. And that is really solid right there. Nice little draw. And you can see here, I'm controlling my finish too. So I'm not just kind of whacking this thing all around, right? I'm controlling the finish. So every time I hit a shot, I can control that finish every time. Look at the best players in the world. I mean, Tommy Fleetwood is a great example. We'll put up a picture of a video of Tommy Fleetwood hitting a shot. When he hits a shot, boom, he finishes. Or Grant Waite finishing. Or any of the players out there. They're always going to a finish position and holding that finish. So they're not just letting these arms go everywhere. They're not just swinging their swing. They're doing a purposeful swing. They're making a motion that they're able to control that low point every time. So when they set up over the ball, they know they're going to hit it solid. They're going to hit it solid over and over and over again. So you can see even down the line here, when I'm doing that, I got a centered pivot. My hands are tracing the grid, coming back down into the back of the ball and tracing around here. So I'm very specific on how I'm swinging the club and controlling my low point. Oh my, that's about as good as I can hit it right there. Can't hit it any better than that. So those are the keys. You have a coach that you're on the course with. It's what you've trained up here. It's your motor control pattern. It's what your brain is putting into your body and putting into your swing. So if you rehearse that over and over and over again, you're going to be able to hit great shots. Okay. So, and keep it really simple. And that's what you want. When you're playing golf on the course, you want one thing only. And the way to do it is to be able to control the low point, control where you hit the ground every time. That's what all the best players do, okay? So when I'm swinging, I'm able to make a swing where I'm staying nice and centered, okay? As I come back down, you can see as I'm not taking a big backswing either. I'm going back to about P3 here. Coming back down, controlling my wrist and arms, tracing the arc, coming back around, and then I can really hold my finish. I'm also in an inclination to the ground. My legs are stable, inclination to the ground. My arms are stable. I'm not flicking them all around. They're not bending. They're not coming through, right? I'm also controlling the clip base. That's important as well. So, but there's so many good things. If you just focus on controlling the low point and understand that I could stand up here all day and hit in a very tight dispersion, hit the ground in a very tight dispersion in front of the golf ball, you are going to be successful on the course. So I love doing these videos because I know they help. Thank you so much for the comments. Leave a comment, subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell so you get the notifications when I post all my videos here on YouTube. And so I really appreciate your time. Please like, please subscribe, and I'll see you soon.